I'm coming from France, and it's the first time I assist at the birthday of the Dalai Lama, His Holiness Dalai Lama, and I am very pleased.
Hello everyone, we are from Taiwan and it's very happy to be here in Dalai. And the most happiness thing is we can join Dalai Lama's birthday celebration.
Lada bayi na lada min mampu jumi ka zom du lada mi zom changmi show na dene ane kundu iga shubit dus biga tujab dus sizana ane kundu khora na dene kuses tan chestam ane mixer du kundu chi sungal na zo nin jojes mixer du dene lada bu chama la dene ane kundu show na dene dene chi show da sunshi ya ko de chorne ane nyamse le just tan just sa do sam
ya jindu tingati kunkatu chenina Sammi hat podu gale, sammi sok mak podu, namlas kit podu, yami sok mak mam podu.
Hello, my name is Tara. I'm from Germany, and I'm very happy to be here today and see the Dalai Lama again. I met him already, and that just makes me very happy and lucky. And to see him, to see that he's still in a good mood, that he's doing fine.
I come with my family to enjoy the 6th July, the birthday of the Dalai Lama, and also today is my mother's birthday, so I'm very happy here with my families and I'm enjoying a lot here, so I'm very much happy.
All people are looking so beautiful and they are waiting to see the Dalai Lama, and it's something that it is like a message of peace.
Juleno no diringa ja samaya maskit pora ya le gawa junurbi tuskar duchen la maskit pora ngaja la to pasangwai kama skit po chue tene dak sangaya stacha jinia le tene man sangma potpanang tala taspat chipanang pasangmai kan mana yijin nurbu skunduni ka jux pasang ngaja sama maskit pora le ya juleno